Norman Maclean once said, "In our family, there was no clear line between religion and fly fishing. We lived at a junction of the Great Trout Rivers in western Montana, and our father was a Presbyterian minister and a fly fisherman who tied his own flies and taught others. He told us about Christ's disciples being fishermen, and we were left to assume, as my brother and I did, that all first-class fishermen on the Sea of Galilee were fly fishermen, and that John, the favorite, was a dry fly fisherman." So my brother and I are both fly fishermen in the state of Wyoming. I'm also Presbyterian. Welcome to episode 6, season 2.
This world is not my home, I'm just a passing through. If heaven's not my home, then hell will have to do. The angels beckon me from this dark and eerie door, and I can't feel at home in this world anymore. Run away, I might just run away, I might just leave it all behind.
Funding for this program made possible in part by Stroop Mueller, LLC.
These chains, they hold me down, they finally took their toll. I can't find the strength to fight like this no more. I've had all I can take, too much to carry around. I'm tired, weak and lonely, and I'm ready to lay down. Run away, I might just run away, I might just leave it all behind and find another day. Tell my man I've done the best I can, and I know loving him means leaving him alone.
If you enjoy these videos, please support us on Rumble, YouTube, or Patreon.